We are keeping in the salatu salam to you. We are praising you, Ya Rasulullah. We are trying to praising you, Ya Habiballah. Accept our praising for you, Ya Rasulullah. We are a weak servant. We think that we are doing something, but unfortunately, maybe the ant can do much than us. Because the ant is sincere and have sincerity for you, Ya Rabbi. One day we are sincere, one day we are not. One day we see everything okay, one day we see everything not okay. This is important for us to realize how we are playing. Say, Man arifa nafsah, arifa rabbah. That means the one he know himself, he can realize his creator. Because we cannot lie in ourselves. Maybe we lie for so many people, but for ourselves, it's impossible. It's you. How you lie for yourself? Maybe you lie one time, maybe 2 times, but you know it is lie. ومن الله التوفيق بحرمة الحبيب بحرمة الفاتحة.